Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 12 students and the topic of discussion is integrals. In this video, we'll be focusing on NCERT solutions for exercise number 8. In the first problem, we need to find integral x plus 1 dx, lower limit minus 1 and 1. This is called a definite integral. In the previous video, we have been focusing on only indefinite part. These limits were not present in those. So how do we solve? We solve first this as an indefinite integral, then put the values of limit. So we will first solve indefinite integral x plus 1 dx. You know integral of x is x square by 2. Integral of 1 is x. So we call this as f of x. Now when we put limit minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx, it is f of 1, the upper limit, minus f of minus 1. This is the way it is done. So we will substitute these values here. So this will be 1 square by 2 plus 1 minus 1 is again 1 square by 2 minus 1. So this will be equal to 2. This is the answer. So in this problem, again a limit is given. This is the lower limit 2, upper limit is 3. We know solution of 1 over x dx is log x. So we'll put this, we call it as f of x. So 2 to 3, 1 over x dx equal to log x equal to f of x equal to, we put f of 3 minus f of 2. So we will substitute here, equal to log 3 minus log 2 equal to log 3 by 2 by the property of the log. So this one again, so first we will find integral of sine 2x dx. What is the integral of sine x is minus cos x. So this will be minus cos 2x, and since 2 is there, we divide it by 2 in the integration process. So this we call it as f of x. Now integral 0 to pi by 4 sine 2x dx will be equal to f pi by 4 minus f of 0. We will substitute here, pi by 4 we will put it. So this will be minus half cos 2 into pi by 4 minus minus will be plus cos 0 by 2. So what is the answer for this? Cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus half equal to half. This is the final answer. Now again we will first solve the indefinite part. Dx by square root of 1 minus x square equal to sine inverse x. This is the integral of this. We call this as f of x. So we now put the limits, lower limit and upper limit. Dx by square root of 1 minus x square is f of 1 minus f of 0. F of 1 is sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. So what is sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Sine inverse 0 is 0. So this is equal to pi by 2. So in this problem we will put substitution as 1 plus x square equal to t. So 2x dx equal to dt. So numerator x dx is there. So x dx equal to dt by 2. So we will solve this first as indefinite integral. So we will write x dx by x square plus 1 is equal to half dt by t. This is half log t. But what is t? T is 1 plus x square equal to half log 1 plus x square. So now we can find the limits. So 2 to 3 x dx 1 plus x square is equal to half log 1 plus x square from 2 to 3. So we will substitute first value of 3 in this. So 3 will be 3 square plus 110. This will be equal to half log 10 minus, now we will put 2. So 2 square 4 plus 5. So log 5 equal to half log 10 by 5 equal to half log 2. This is the final answer. In this problem, we see that in the numerator we have a x power square and denominator also x power square. So this is not a proper fraction. We need to get power of x in denominator should be more than the numerator. So we have to first divide this. So we will divide it like 5x square. Here we will have x square plus 4x plus 3. So we will multiply by 5 first. So this will be x square plus 20x plus 15. We'll change the sign. So this will get cancelled. This will be minus 20x minus 15. So this expression can be written as 5 minus 20x plus 15 divided by x square plus 4x plus 3. Now we see that in this expression the power of x is more than the numerator. So this is okay. So we can write this by this expression. So we will write it integral 1 to 2 5 minus 20x plus 15 divided by x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. But what is x square plus 4x plus 3? That can be written as, this can be written as x plus 3 into x plus 1. So we can write this expression as 1 to 2 5 dx. We will put this as some fraction. So we will put it as minus 1 to 2 a dx by x plus 3 minus 1 to 2 b dx x plus 1. We need to find a and b. In the previous video we have shown you how to find a and b. So we will directly write the answer here. This is left as an exercise to the student to find the value of a and b. So this will be 5x integral minus 5 by 2 into 9 log x plus 3 minus log x plus 1, the whole this under the limit 1 and 2. On simplification we can get the answer as 5 minus 5 by 2 9 log 5 by 4 minus log 3 by 2. This is the final answer. So in this problem we need to find the integral of x e power x plus. So these two can be separated. So this can be done, first one can be done using the rule which we have discussed earlier as two functions, algebraic and exponential. So what is the formula for that? Ilate. First is algebraic and then exponential. So first we will take algebraic. So first function into integral of second. So first function is x, integral is e power x itself minus, sorry this is not there, first function into integral of second function minus integral differential of first function into integral of second function. and plus we have integral of sine pi x by 4, which is minus cos pi x by 4 divided by pi by 4. So this will be x e power x minus e power x minus 4 by pi cos pi x by 4, and this limit is 0 to 1. So let us put, this can be further written as ex x minus 1 minus 4 by pi cos pi x by 4, 0 to 1. So we'll put 1 here first, so this will become 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, so first will be 0, then we'll put 1 here, so which is cos pi by 4 is 1 over root 2, so minus 4 by pi into 1 over root 2. Next we put 0 with the minus signs, so 0 minus 1 is minus e power x, and we have a minus here since we are taking the lower limit, so this will be plus e power x. Next we put 0 here, already minus is there, so that will become plus, so plus 4 by pi cos 0 is 1, so we are left with this one, so we can take 4 by pi as common, so that will be 4 by pi 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus e power x. So this is the final answer. So in this problem we need to find integral of dx by 1 plus x square, that we know 1 by root 3 dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x from limits root 3 to 1. So this will be tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1. What is root 3? Tan inverse root 3 is 60 degree, that is pi by 3, minus tan inverse 1 is 45 degree, pi by 4. So this will be equal to pi by 12. So option D is the correct choice. So in this problem we can simplify this as 4 can be taken outside, and we can write this as 1 over 4 0 2 by 3 dx by 1 plus 3 by 2 the whole square. So we have written in the form a square plus x square. No, but we will do in a even more simpler way. We will put 3 by 2 x equal to t. So 3 by 2 dx equal to dt, or dx equal to 2 by 3 dt. So we are going to substitute here. So we will substitute here in this. So this will be 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 0 to 2 by 3 dt by 1 plus t square. Integral of 1 plus t square is tan inverse. So this will be 1 over 6 tan inverse t. So with limit 0 to 2 by 3. So we will substitute here, but as we have to put t also. T is equal to 3 by 2, t equal to 3 by 2x. So this will be equal to 1 over 6 tan inverse 3 by 2x 2 by 3 to 0. So we will substitute here first 2 by 3, so this will be 1. So this will be equal to 1 over 6 tan inverse 1. Then when we put 0, this will be tan inverse 0 minus tan inverse 0. So this is tan inverse 0 is 0, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So 1 by 6 into pi by 4 is equal to pi by 24. So option C is the correct choice. Friends, with this we conclude this video. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in future more videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.